What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best scuba diving fins of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use for more information on the products? Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Cressi Lightweight Scuba Diving Fins. Cressi is one of the heavyweights of the scuba diving world. But their diving fins are super lightweight. And in our list, they are the best fins if you are looking for traveling fins and are also on a budget. Considering everything, you will get so much bang for your buck. The Cressi Pro Light fins are lightweight, durable, and their design is ideal for every type of diver from beginners to professionals. The fins are a perfect option for traveling and if you're looking for a suitable fin to rent out to other divers. The fins are made of materials that make them an ideal blend for comfort and power when kicking. Another way that the fin is designed to provide more power and support is by its unique design. The whole motion is stabilized from the 2 flaps at the end of the blade, efficiently directing the fin while kicking. The Cressi Pro Light are fins that seem to come from the future and are some of the best scuba fins for travel you can buy. They also have adjustable binding system, ABS, buckles that can be released quickly by just using one finger. The straps and buckles are highly resistant. This design allows for greater contact with the water with each kick, creating efficiency. They will reduce the likelihood of fatigue. The side rails on the fins also help to improve kick thrust. Features: 20% increase in useful surface area. A unique foot pocket keeps feet secure. Fin design adjusts during the kicking cycle. Flexible and requires less kicking effort. Polypropylene blade provides a variable flex. Specs: materials, elastomer rubber, technopolymer polypropylene. Weight, 1.4 to 3.7 pounds or 0.6 to 1.6 kilograms. Colors, black, blue, yellow. Blade type, standard. Heel style, open. Strap, ratchet ABS. Fins length, medium. Pros: total value. Improved model. Lightweight. Suitable for everyone. Travel friendly. Cons: may cause some blistering if you have the wrong booties. Basic aesthetic design. Number 2. Tusa SF22 Solla. Tusa are a respected dive equipment manufacturer, having been around since the 50s. They're renowned for creating comfortable, high-quality scuba diving gear in vibrant colors. Enter the Tusa SF22 Solla fins. These open-heel fins are easy to get on and off whilst the patented easy strap and buckle system allow effortless adjustment, even whilst being worn. The bungee spring strap is specially shaped to offer a balance of flexibility and control which together with the anatomically designed foot pocket provides superior comfort, with reduced heel slippage. These scuba diving fins incorporate Fork Elast technology, a proprietary thermoplastic elastomer compound that delivers superb propulsion and speed, with only moderate output. Also, Tusa's patented 20-degree angled blade design, combined with each blade's 3 channels, ensures maximum efficiency throughout the kicking cycle. Because of this, the Tusa Solla fins provide a lot of power, meaning they work well even for weaker swimmers. They also offer extremely good value for money, being more affordable than many other models of beginner scuba diving fins. If you're a beginner looking for high-performing and easy-to-use scuba diving fins at a reasonable price point, the Tusa Solla is our number 1 recommendation. Pros: lots of color options. Easy donning and doffing. Adjustment is easy. Extremely comfortable. Deliver superior propulsion with only moderate output. Cons: simple design. Number 3. Cressi CLIO Scuba Diving Fins. The Cressi CLIO fins are our favorite pair of budget scuba fins around, and the best part is, they double up as great snorkeling fins too. The lightweight combined with the closed heel design means that you can wear them barefoot and hardly notice that you're wearing them, perfect for anyone that hates feeling bogged down by heaps of gear. The super soft foot pocket only adds to the comfort, but be warned that they might not be the best choice for anyone with extremely narrow feet. You'll be better off with an adjustable strap. The lightweight also makes them easy to carry around, and they'll even fit in some backpacks. This makes them great for holidays when you never know when you might want to hop in the water for a quick refreshing snorkel. Granted, the short length does reduce the power behind these fins, so you'll find yourself kicking more frequently than with longer, larger fins, especially if the current get hectic. For mild to moderate currents, however, these fins can hold their own, thanks to the paddle design. Plus, the simple design combined with the use of durable EVA material means that they're unlikely to break on you anytime soon. All in all, these fins are portable, durable, and super comfortable. And come at a fraction of the price we'd expect. Pros: portable, great for snorkeling, very soft pocket, easy to slide on and off. Cons: less powerful than bulkier models, not suited to cold weather diving. Number 4. Mare's Avanti Quattro Plus Open Heel Fins. The Mare's Avanti Quattro is one of the best-selling models of all time and a favorite among working dive pros. It's been on the market for 20 years and it's battle-proven. You are going to find these fins to be reliable and tough. They will last you a very long time even with heavy rough play. The Quattro fins are tremendously lightweight, so they're good for dive traveling. The Quattro Plus are dual material channel fins that work for all fin kick styles. They provide good control, speed, and precision in the water, so these fins are a tremendous choice for underwater photographers. The Quattro's flexible buckled bungee ankle straps are easy to open and close in between dives. It has built-in carrying loops that make it easy for you to carry your fins around. The bungee straps will help you compensate for depth compression. Because of water pressure, even neoprene socks or boots will compress underwater. The bungee straps will remain secure, no matter the depth automatically. All in all, these fins are available in a wide variety of colors, so it's easy for your dive group to spot you underwater, even in low visibility. These are well tested, and great all-rounder fins for people that dive in a range of conditions. Features: multiple, highly visible colors are available. Bungee straps, cold water compatible channel thrust technology appropriate for all dive conditions. Large grasp loops for easy donning and doffing. Specs: materials: Techroline, thermoplastic rubber. Weight: 3.30 to 4.40 pounds or 1.52 to 1.98 kilograms. Colors: multiple choice. Blade type: standard heel style, open strap. Bungee fins length: medium. Pros: tremendous aesthetic choices. Battle proven design suitable for any form of diving. Multiple aesthetic choices. Travel friendly. Perfect fit. Cons: despite lightweight, they can be bulky. Number 5. Scuba Pro Go Travel Fins. With this one, Scuba Pro focus specifically on all of you that travel to dive. The Scuba Pro Go fins weigh less than any other design in its class. It features solid monoprene construction, which gives it ridiculous power for its weight and fin length. The Scuba Pro Go fins are built to last and are ideal for long-term and heavy-duty use. It's kind of unheard of to have fins like this. The bungee-style heel strap makes this fin super easy to slip on and off, even on the surface in between dives. The Scuba Pro Go fins have a small foot pocket designed to be worn barefoot, or with diving socks, so it's perfect for switching between diving and snorkeling. Power bars on the underside of the rails prevent overflexing, maintaining the best angle under even high load conditions. The Scuba Pro Go travel fins deliver speed, power, stability, and maneuverability with minimal effort. They are designed to fit in IATA carry-on compliant luggage easily. Utilizing the innovative piggyback stack system, one fin blade interlocks with the other, creating a snug coupling that makes packing and traveling much easier. And if you are setting up your diving gear to travel, you'll be able to scratch diving fins off your gear list with this one. Features: lightweight travel-ready fins. Barefoot design with replaceable bungee strap. Extremely durable with 100% monoprene construction. High performance. Specs: materials: monoprene rubber. Weight: 2.20 to 2.60 pounds or 1 to 1.20 kilograms. Colors: band. Blade type: vented. Heel style: open. Strap: bungee. Fins length: short. Pros: travel focused. Lightweight. Compact. Exceptional durability. Cons: may cause irritation on the foot if you aren't wearing booties or neoprene socks. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.